Okay, so let's take a pizza. You have 7 other friends, and it has 8 slices, enough for everyone. But let's say you're super hungry and decide to eat 3 slices. Then we can say that you ate 3 out of 8 slices of pizza. Therefore, 3/8 of pizza is in your belly, and your friends aren't happy with you. This type of number is called a fraction. You might sometimes hear the term vulgar fraction, but it's the same as a common fraction, like our 3/8, so nothing to worry about. Fractions have 2 parts, the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the number that's on the top, and the denominator is the number that's on the bottom. Let's take our pizza as an example. 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Fractions can be written in 2 main ways. The first one is called a proper fraction, and the second is called an improper fraction, or a top-heavy. 3/8 is a proper fraction because its numerator is smaller than its denominator. So what is an improper fraction, you ask? An improper fraction is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, imagine you need to divide 10 candies among 6 kids. The results would be 10/6, or if simplified, 5/3. However, there is no easy way to understand these numbers. It would be much easier for me to tell you that to split 10 candies among 6 people, you would have to give each person 1 candy and a bit. This way of rearranging fractions is known as mixed fractions. You start with an improper fraction when the numerator is greater than the denominator, and you change it to be represented as a number of wholes, and the remaining fraction which cannot be divided further. For example, if you were to have 7/6, you could write it as 1 whole and 1/6. What you do is essentially look for the nearest multiple of the denominator and the remainder. For example, if you were to have 15/7, you know that 14 is the closest number that is smaller than 15 and divisible by 7. From there, you rewrite 15 as 14 plus 1. What you are left with is 14 plus 1 over 7. Now, we know that 7 goes into 14 exactly twice. Therefore, our fraction is equal to 2 1/7. This process can also be reversed if you want an improper fraction instead of a mixed fraction. To do this, you multiply the whole number with the denominator and add the result to the numerator. For example, in this case, you would have 2 times 3, which equals 6. Adding 1, we get 7. Therefore, our fraction is equal to 7/3. Now you try. Pause the video and work it out. Did you get them right? Now you should know what improper fractions are and how to convert them to mixed numbers.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. Why not check out our AddyESchool app as well? Until next time.